A quick shout out to Squarespace for helping me out and sponsoring this video. Thanks guys. Squarespace allows you to create beautiful websites, and using this special URL below, you'll get 10% off your first purchase.
So back at the airport, sadly the holiday is over. Now I did joke on my Jetstar economy class review on the flight up here to Bali that it was the Bintang Express. Now Bali's not all Bintang singlets and cheap drinks and cheap resorts. In fact, a lot of it has gone very upmarket, and there's a lot of luxury resorts, fine dining, and even some really good shopping to be had here, as well as some really good retreats. So if you're experiencing Bali in luxury, it makes sense to experience a bit of luxury on the way home. So that's what I'm doing. I'm flying back to Melbourne in Jetstar in business class on their 787. So we'll get to see what business class is like on a low-cost carrier as part of the Qantas group on Jetstar. Join me and we'll experience it together.
Jetstar uses the Premier Lounge at Denpasar, which can be found on the mezzanine level. It's not huge, but it looks nice and has enough food, drink and seating options to make for a comfortable wait. Let's fly!
Dish you'd like to start with? You're welcome. This is your water here as well for yourself.
Some champagne, please.
Some champagne.
It's the only way to start a flight. Really,
I think so. I would be starting with the champagne and ending with the Baileys.
Cheers. Here's to a great flight. Cheers.
The business class cabin on the Jetstar 787 is laid out in a 2-3-2 configuration with 3 rows, giving a total of 21 business class seats. The best seats for couples are those on the side. These business class seats are what all business class seats were like before the invention of flat beds. They are wider, plusher and offer more recline than your standard economy seat. Overall, they were very comfortable and perfectly suitable for this 5-hour flight. The legroom was pretty good, as was the recline. Each seat has a fully adjustable headrest and footrest. The tray table worked well, but as with so many airlines these days, it was dirty. That said, it was not as filthy as the power point, which is located between each seat near your feet. This was truly disgusting. A second USB port can also be found under the entertainment screen, so luckily I didn't need to use that PowerPoint. In terms of amenities, I thought Jetstar did very well. Each business class passenger is provided with a pillow and blanket on boarding. I thought the use of recycled plastic bottles to make the blanket was a great idea. Who knew that plastic bottles could be so soft? We were each given an amenities kit, which was very well stocked with potions and lotions by Milk & Co. Meals and drinks are included in business class on Jetstar. Service started with a hot towel and a gin and tonic which was served with pretzels. It turns out that according to Jetstar, Pretzels go equally well with spiced chai tea. After this, it was time for dinner. I went with the soya chicken, whilst Julie had ordered a vegetarian meal. I think I made the right choice. It was very tasty, and mine certainly looked much better than hers. Business class passengers have access to the full entertainment system free of charge. Economy passengers are charged $10 for full access. The system can be controlled by both the touch screen and the remote control. Unfortunately, both were a bit temperamental at times, which got a bit frustrating. That said, the screen was clear and bright, and I thought the selection was pretty good. I ended up watching an excellent movie documentary about Aussie band Midnight Oil called 1984. Later, in keeping with the Aussie 80s rock theme, I enjoyed some great memories listening to In Excess. Those not wanting screen time can flick through the Jetstar magazine or look out the 787's oversized windows. I really love the electronic shading system on these windows, which allows you to look outside during the entire flight without disrupting your fellow passengers. I ended the flight with a glass of Bailey's as suggested by the flight attendant. It was a nice way to end a very pleasant flight. I thought the crew were excellent. The food, seat and amenities were also very good, and this is certainly a much better option than the Qantas 737 business class flying from most cities. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please feel free to do so, as there's a lot more reviews on the way. In the meantime, as always, happy travels.
So that was Jetstar Business Class. Thank you very much, guys. That was a great flight. Really good. Thank you.
Squarespace allows you to make your next move by creating your own beautiful looking website. Using Squarespace's all-in-one platform and award-winning design templates, the whole process is very easy, with nothing to install, patch or upgrade ever. Plus, you'll have Squarespace's 24/7 customer support with you every step of the way. Squarespace is suitable for all types of websites. And as part of this sponsorship, Squarespace are giving my viewers a free trial plus 10% off your first purchase. Just use squarespace.com/DennisBunnick to get started and make your next move.